over screen printing. There's 3 different ways of doing this. The first one is quick screen print. You're going to hold the Windows plus print screen. It takes a quick snapshot of all your monitors and saves it in your pictures in the screenshot folder. The next one is specific screen print. So if you have 2 monitors, you want to click on the screen you want to capture and press Windows Alt and screen print. You will also want to click enable gaming features for this to work. If you click on screenshot saved, it takes you to your captured screenshot, which is located in pictures in the screenshot folder. The last one is selection screen print. You want to hit Windows Shift and S, hold the left click button and drag it across the selected area you want and release. Click on the pop-up that says snippet save to clipboard. If that is the selection you want, click on the disk icon to save it and click save. This last section I'm going over is mainly to make Windows more readable or look nicer. So to open up a magnifying glass, you want to hit the Windows key and plus. If you hold Windows and keep hitting plus, it'll just make it bigger. Or if you hold Windows and keep hitting the minus, it makes it smaller. Or you can just hit the buttons. So if we wanted to make the font bigger permanently, what we would do is we would hit our Windows key to go to the search function, and then we would type in ease of access display settings. Yep, see how it just popped up there? You want to click on that. To make everything bigger, just adjust the display once you have it where you like it. Now everything is bigger, as you can see, but I'm going to put everything back like it was. So next thing I'm going to do is put everything off in dark mode. So if you want to right click on your desktop and select display settings, and in the search bar at the top, we're going to type in dark mode. Click on turn on dark mode system wide, and then where it says choose your default app mode, click dark. So this is how your File Explorer looks in dark mode. And since I'm giving out shortcuts to open up a File Explorer is Windows. On your left, we have a quick access, which basically shows you your files that you recently opened. And then if you click on this PC, it shows you, your documents and files, and also your map drives. If you're coming from Windows 8, you know all about live tiles, the interaction and the updated icons used to display information like weather, news, and more. Luckily, they are now all contained within the Start menu. You can resize the Start menu, making it so that it only takes up a small corner of your screen, or as large as the entire desktop, just drag from the corner. If you're coming from Windows 7, not only are live tiles new, but they may not be all that useful. Luckily, it's a simple process not only to remove them, but to slim up the Start menu so it more closely resembles the view you're used to. To do that, simply right-click any live tile and select Unpin from Start.
Seatbelts on your ears, Roy.